Hey, that's about 200 grand right there, but I'm gonna show you how you can get your first $1,000 check mailed to your home, working from home, mailed to you from online. Now, I make a lot more than that. Just to show you my results right here, I'm making over $10,000, over $20,000 a day sometimes, but I'm not gonna show you how to make $10,000 a day. I'm gonna show you how you can make your first 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, first $1,000 a day online. Now, if you're watching this video, maybe you just want to earn a little extra money on the side, or maybe you don't like your job, or maybe you don't like your boss, maybe you don't like your coworkers, and you want to do something new. That thing that just fell, that is from the company that pays me called ClickBank. It pays me over $1 million a year. This is their plaque for earners who have made over $1 million a year. I have many of these sitting around at my home. Now, you might be wondering, how do you earn your first $1,000 working from home? Now, what I'm going to show you are 3 tips to help you make your first $1,000 from home. Now, the first thing you have to understand is you must do something that doesn't require technical skills, okay? If you have to do any programming, if you have to learn new skills, it's not gonna work out. And I'm not technically inclined myself. I don't know how to place a piece of code or programming to save my soul. I will literally break the internet. The second thing you need to understand is you must do something online that doesn't require you to spend a lot of money, okay? If it requires you to spend a lot of money or to make a large investment, it's probably a scam. Now, the way I got started online was I actually learned from a mentor. So I was at this, I love money, by the way. I love money. I was at this hotel and I met this man named Kelly Felix who had made millions of dollars online. And I asked him, how do I make money online? He said, copy what I do. He says, learn from me and do something almost exactly similar or exactly similar. Now, I learned from him and I copied his system. And I was able to start, I went from working a dead-end job to making $25,000 to $50,000 a month. Now, you may not have access to people like this that you just meet randomly who are internet multimillionaires. And if you aren't, make sure you click the link either above or below my head. There's a free training I've prepared that you can sign up for where I will teach you. I'm doing some trainings this week where I will teach you exactly how you can earn an income online. When you click the link, you'll be taken to a page which says free training. You can click this button and you can fill out your information and sign up for the next available training session that is available. And I will walk you through exactly how I am able to have my daily sales be these sorts of numbers that you're seeing on the screen right here, okay? So that's the deal. Now, what you also, wait real quick and I'll give you the third tip. I told you I was gonna do 3 tips. The third tip is you must not, that's 2, whatever. If you're doing something, you must do something that doesn't require your time. If you have to constantly be sitting around the computer and doing work, then you have not built a real business. For me, I like traveling. I like exploring. I like going completely off the grid. I like camping. I like climbing mountains with only a backpack and no technology on me whatsoever. So if something requires me to be on a computer, then I'm just a high-paid slave. And you must do a business that doesn't require, once again, it doesn't require technical skills. This is not going to be feasible for most people. It wasn't feasible for me. You must do something that doesn't require you to invest a lot of money. Stocks, real estate, and e-commerce all require you to invest significant sums of money before you can hope to see a little bit of it come back to you. But in the meantime, that significant sum of money could all go away. So you must do something that doesn't require investment, and you must do something that doesn't require you to spend your time, that can be automated. So join this free training, and once again, I will show you not only how I've been able to earn millions of dollars online through this system and consistently, without working, make tens of thousands of dollars a day, but I will also show you how some of my students have also gone on to make millions of dollars applying this very same system. And you can sign up for this free training right now, here, today. Take a walk on the wild side. Follow the money. If you've ever heard that quote, follow the money, and you will start to make some of it yourself. See you soon.